Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss a tour of normal distribution, its concepts and practice. There are two names of the normal distribution or Gaussian distribution. Sometimes it is called Gaussian distribution. The normal distribution is an extremely important and applicable continuous distribution. Normal distribution is based on continuous variable. Therefore, it's a continuous distribution. We measure so many variables in our daily life around us. For example, height, weight, temperature, time, volume, pressure, marks of the students, lifetime of bulbs, etc. All these are the examples of the continuous variable, and the normal distribution is applicable and a most appropriate distribution to apply on these. The probability density function of the normal distribution is this one, and the range of x in the normal distribution is minus infinity to plus infinity. The shape is a bell-shaped distribution, and the most of the observations which are measured are around the center. So scattered dots are representing the values of the variables. The distribution is divided into 10 equal parts, and for example, these are the guesses. So 100% is the maximum guess and minimum is the 1%. So on the left side 1%, and it increases up to the 99, and 1% is left on the right tail. So less correct guesses and most correct guesses are less in count. So single observation is on the above 80%, and single observation lies below the 20%. So most of the guesses are around 50%. So scatteredness of the data exist around the central value 50. So such type of variables in which scatteredness of the data and observations around the central or middle value. So such type of scenario is normal distribution. This is the shape of the normal curve in which right tail and left tails exist on the extreme edges. Shaded area is the probability of the normal curve. Its properties. Properties of the normal distribution involves its shape is bell-shaped curve. Second property is the under bell-shaped curve, the area is 1. The distribution is symmetric around the central value. Both right and left tails are the mirror images of each other. Sigma and mu are the parameters of the distribution. Sigma is the shape parameter, mu is the scale parameter. Sigma is the shape parameter which controls the shape of the distribution. You can see there are three types of curves on the screen. One is flattened, which is in the green color. Whenever sigma is larger, the shape of the curve flattens towards the x-axis. If sigma is smaller, then curve is narrower and the peak is higher, and the curve is like the leptokurtic. Mu is the scale parameter which changes the location of the curve. In the blue curve, the location is -1. Its center value lies on -1. And the next, it shifts from -1 to +1. And the curve is central value lies now at 1. And in next figure, mu is 2. So whenever mu is increasing, curve shifts from left to right side of the x-axis. The probability density function of the standard normal distribution, denoted by small phi of z, is equal to e raised to the power minus z square by 2 over 2 pi under root, and its range is similar to the normal distribution, which starts from minus infinity up to the plus infinity. In the standard normal distribution, the parameters are mu 0 and sigma is 1. Whenever location and scale parameter is 0 and sigma is 1, and then its normal distribution converts to the standard normal distribution. We can say standard normal distribution is a special form of the normal distribution. In the figure, you can see that the central line lies at mu is equal to 0, and its range is minus infinity to plus infinity, but the maximum area between minus 3 to plus 3. The total area under the curve, standard normal curve, is 1. The standard normal curve is used for the finding the area of the normal distribution. First of all, normal distribution variate x is converted into the z, and then z area would be calculated using the tables. Minus infinity to the center, and from center to the plus infinity, both tails having the area 0.5. So 50% area is on the left tail and 50% area of the curve is on the right tail. So cumulative distribution is minus infinity to 0. Its value will be 0.5. And after that, cumulative distribution is increasing. Cumulative distribution exists from minus infinity to 0. The range minus 1 to plus 1, the area under the standard normal curve is 0.6826. So minus 1 to plus 1 area is 68.26%. In the same way, the area between minus 2 to plus 2 is 0.9544. That is 95.44% area from minus 2 to plus 2. The range of Z is minus 2 to 2. Similarly, the probability between minus 3 to plus 3 is 99.74%. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.